Hello and welcome to StoryTone English. You are listening to Listen and Speak English with Stories. In today's video, you will hear the life story of Albert Einstein. This story will help you improve your English listening, your pronunciation, and your speaking confidence. Please sit comfortably. You can use headphones. Listen carefully and speak with me when I ask you to repeat. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Understanding will come naturally. Now let us begin. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists in human history, but his life was not easy. His journey was full of challenges, failures, and patience. Albert Einstein was born in the year 1879. He was born in a small city in Germany. His family was not rich. They lived a simple and quiet life. When Albert was a child, people thought he was not very intelligent. He started speaking later than other children. Teachers said he was slow. Some teachers even said he would never succeed in life. But Albert was different. He liked to think deeply. He liked to ask questions. He was curious about how the world worked. As a young boy, Albert loved music. He played the violin. Music helped him think. Music helped him relax. Music stayed with him for his entire life. At school, Albert did not like strict rules. He did not like memorizing facts. He wanted to understand ideas. This caused problems with his teachers. Many teachers did not understand him. They thought he was lazy. They thought he was careless. But Albert was thinking in his own way. After finishing school, Albert could not find a good job. He was unemployed. He felt frustrated, but he did not give up. He worked in a small office. This office was a patent office. His job was simple. He checked other people's inventions. During this time, Albert continued thinking. He continued learning. He continued imagining new ideas. In the year 1905, Albert Einstein changed the world. This year is called his miracle year. He wrote 4 important scientific papers. One of these ideas became very famous. It is called the theory of relativity. This theory changed how we understand time and space. Albert became famous slowly. People started noticing his intelligence. Universities invited him. Scientists respected him. But Albert remained simple. He wore simple clothes. He did not care about fashion. He did not care about money. Albert believed in peace. He did not support war. When Germany became dangerous, he moved to the United States. In America, he worked at Princeton University. He continued teaching. He continued thinking. He continued learning until old age. Albert Einstein passed away in 1955, but his ideas are still alive. His story still inspires millions of people. Albert Einstein taught us something important. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be fast. You only need curiosity, patience, and courage. Now it is time to speak English. Please listen and repeat after me. Albert Einstein changed the world. He believed in learning and curiosity. Failure did not stop him. I can improve my English every day. Now repeat again. Albert Einstein never gave up. Learning English needs patience. I speak English with confidence. Now pause the video. Say these sentences loudly. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Think about Albert Einstein's life. Think about his patience. Think about his curiosity. Learning English is similar. You may feel slow, you may feel unsure, but improvement comes with time. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for listening to StoryTone English. See you in the next story.